Hi guys, today I will be creating 3 budget-friendly and easy red truck DIYs. So the very first one, I am using cork board, bath and body candle lid, and napkins that I picked up at Walmart. Now I will be only using 1.5 napkins for this, for the total of the whole project. So let's get started. I used the lid from the candle holder as a guide to cut out my cork board as well as the napkin. It is the right size. I measured it. So make sure that whatever you use, it just covers up the whole picture that you're planning on cutting out.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you, baby.
Once I cut out my cork board, I move on to cut out my napkins.
Yeah, it's just gonna be you and me, hang by the fire and chill.
Your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. My name is Sonja, and this is my DIY channel where I create budget-friendly DIYs. I love seasonal decorating, so there's always tons of seasonal DIYs on my channel. So if this is something that interests you, I would love it if you considered subscribing and pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads.
It's supposed to be making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close.
Now these napkins have a couple layers, so you want to remove all the layers so you only have the one layer. And then I'm adding the Mod Podge onto my cork board, and then I'm going to seal it with more Mod Podge on top. If you want to make this super waterproof, make sure you apply a waterproof sealer. I am not doing that, but if that's something that you'd want, I would recommend you do that.
About everyone else, isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play.
I think these coasters turned out super cute and are gonna look great on my tray on my coffee table.
Those carols that you love, we'll be singing.
For the next project, I am using another whatever was left from the napkins, and a tile that I had from Home Depot. I think these tiles are under $1 for sure. I've had it for a while because I was using it for some other crafts. This was just left over, and pretty much doing the same thing, cutting it out and Mod Podging it on. I think this tile will look great on my tiered tray or anywhere where you just need those little tiny decor pieces.
The melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and me, hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, oh.
For my last project, I'm using an artist canvas. reusable bag from Walmart, as well as Mod Podge and stain. You do not need to use the stain. You can also use paint if you do not have any stain. So the first thing that I do is I remove the canvas part from the frame.
Making our Christmas memories. Yeah, seize all the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else.
Once the frame is free of canvas, I stain it using a rag and this dark walnut stain that I've been using for many other projects. I will link it down below if you want to see what kind of stain it is. I got it at Home Depot.
To see you again, baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Yeah, I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
While the frame is drying, I cut the front part of the bag off. Then I measure out and see where exactly I want my bag to go on the canvas with the frame, mark it off where the frame will go, and then I trim the bag if it needs to be trimmed. And then I measure out again just to make sure, because I want the white canvas to show as a bit of a frame as well, like the backing of the picture frame. And that way I mark it off before I glue it, so then when I'm adding glue, I know exactly where the bag will go. Now it's time to add the frame, and I hot glue it to the canvas. I am adding Mod Podge to the back as well as the front to just make sure that it's on there fully. the last thing that I do is just trim off the excess canvas that's kind of poking around on the outside, poking out on the outside. I love the way this picture turned out, and I have a perfect spot for it. I hope you guys enjoyed these easy, budget-friendly DIYs, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.